So I recently 3D printed this. The original intention was to make it for a short, but the final result wasn't exactly what I thought it was going to be. Let me show you. While that is cool, is not what I wanted it to do. It was supposed to launch that propeller blade really high up in the air. But just because it didn't work like I wanted it to, doesn't mean this isn't a really cool print. And I'll start with this base layer right here. As you can see, it's a planetary gear system. When I spin this back here, these gears right here spin. Now, that's cool in itself, but as I keep adding more of these gear sets here, if I can get this snapped in, we'll see that for each one rotation I do in the back, the uppermost planetary gear set spins faster. It's just a gear ratio. It's pretty cool. At the very end, we see that I barely have to move the back, and these gears up top are just spinning really super fast. I downloaded this from Thingiverse, and the original creator said that this should be a 64:1 gear ratio. One of the cool things when you start getting gear ratios pretty high is you get the input back here can start to become really torquey. Like, I actually have to put significant force on here to get this to spin. Another thing worth noting is this right here, I guess you can call it output shaft, spins really easy and freely. So I can spin this, keep on spinning it, and you can tell in the back that main input is barely spinning at all. So no torque, but slow. Lots of torque, but fast. So I just thought this was a really cool example of gear ratios. Even though my initial print and idea for this just launching off really didn't work like I thought it was going to, this print itself is still really cool and demonstrates gear ratios really cool. So I still wanted to share that with everybody because I think it's really cool how I can 3D print something like this and give a good demonstration of gear ratios.